Welcome back. So I currently do not have any food at home, no soup, no stew. I removed these meats before I left in the morning. This is meat. I got this half carton of fish today. I got this is tomatoes, red bell pepper, plantain. I got yam. So guys, join me, let's cook. Let's start cooking. I don't think this meat will be enough for the food I want to cook, but let's start from here because I will not be cooking all the food today. Let's start from here. So because I'm going to be cooking stew as well, I think I should cook stew today, because stew is normally the one that normally take a lot of time. For soup doesn't take a lot of time for me as much as stew does. So I'm going to be cooking stew today, guys. So guys, since I'm going to be cooking tomato stew, I'm going to go ahead and put my tomatoes on the fire. This is how I normally prepare it before my stew. I have the canned tomatoes at home before. That is why I bought just little of fresh tomatoes to mix with it. Okay, keep it there. So guys, I'm going to be putting it on the fire now. No water. There is no water. I like parboiling my tomatoes before using. That one, it will help reduce the hours of cooking it when you are frying it. Guys, the heat is too much. The heat is too much. If I'm cooking in kitchen this summer period, this is how I normally help myself. I'll just be pouring water on my body like this. The heat is too much, guys. Go, I'm making food. I'm making food, Angel. Come they check what are you making every time. He's coming to kitchen. What are you making? Mommy, what are you making every 2 minutes? This is the carton of fish I bought today. This is half carton of fish. I think this one is about, I don't know, maybe like 12. I think we have 12 kilo here. This is a scorpion fish. Scorpion. This is my husband's best fish. If I buy melusa, my husband don't like it. So because of that, I normally buy this one, half carton, just like this. It saved me time as well to go and be buying everything, because where Africa store is from my house is far. If I buy this one, and before I'll buy again, maybe in 3 months time. In 3 months time or 4 months, it depends on how I cook. Depends on how well I use it. So we have 4, 5. You see, they are big. That is one thing I love about them. This fish, if you buy this half carton, see, very big. You see, it's normally big. You see, it's very big. Normally, I normally see like 20 pieces, 22 pieces. Yeah, 22 pieces inside. Let's see how many we have here now. Ooh, wow, guys, these fish, they are so big, guys. Very big. This is one thing I love about them. This is why I like buying it. They are big. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, I have 23 pieces. 23 pieces of fishes. Just imagine how big they look. The one I'm going to be using today, and put the remaining one in the freezer. Okay, I'll be needing 4 pieces to cook today. Guys, let's make eggplant sauce and yam. Guys, let's make tomato stew. Mommy, see, she's looking at me. Mama, how are you? How are you? How are you, Mama? Since I came back from market, I have not seen her. She has been sleeping. This weather, guys, this heat, if you are cooking, how do you normally do it? This is how I do it though. I have the pour water for body. It's too hot, guys, and my kitchen is very hot. Very hot. I'm cooking this hot afternoon. I have no choice because I don't have food at home. I have to cook. To be needing these canned tomatoes as well. yams are very good. The eggplants. My stew almost got burnt, guys, while I was serving the kids.